Now they're going to start a show here in a moment.
Mabuhay yung Marilao ngayong hapon sa kanan. of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors. Let's meet our four raptors. Una, si Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. There you go, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliaeetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, that's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalaban ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila kas folks. Okay, now, i-meet na natin ang ating second raptor, ang cute na cute na si Jack Jack, our Brahminic guide. Si Jack Jack folks, now Jack Jack. Yeah. There you go. Once again folks, that is Jack Jack, our Brahminic guide, or also known as the Baloo. Now Brahminic guides are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapire, meaning to seize. or to drag away. As you notice po, mga kuya natin are wearing a protective gloves because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now raptors guys practice kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. Sinumukuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Now folks, imimit na natin ang ating third raptor na si Pagaspas, our Philippine Serpent Eagle. Now folks, we will show you how they hunt po. Kuya Buchi, dito is merong toy lizard. Now Pagaspas. Ayan ang toy lizard mo boy. Alright now, Pagaspas. Hindi na boy. Okay, hintayin lang muna natin si Pagaspas. And now guys, once they are in flight, they will lock on and dive bomb their target talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now guys, Philippine Serpent Eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Ayan, previewing mo na kay Pagaspas. Okay, gusto mo picture, video, pwede po. Alright, now okay na Kuya Gucci. Okay, bibigyan na natin ang ating last raptor na si Pau Pau, our grass owl. That is Pau Pau folks, our grass owl. Okay, kapihin na boy. Ayan, Gucci, titiginan natin ito si Pau Pau guys ha. Alright, medyo mayayain kasi ito si Pau Pau folks. Oh, kapihin na boy. Alright, once again folks, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Okay, ayan, nilapitan na ni Kuya Siren. Okay, Pau Pau, come here na boy. Wait lang talaga natin folks ha. Ayan na si Pau Pau natin. Alright, medyo nahihiya si Pau Pau ngayong hapon folks. Pau Pau, come here na boy. Ala. Okay, Pau Pau. Lina. Okay, okay, hintayin lang talaga natin si Pau Pau folks. Okay. Alright, Pau Pau. Ayan na talaga. Uy, kumain pa. Ayan na. Unak na si Pau Pau guys. Ayan na. Konti-tiis na lang, Pau Pau. Namunat na. Now folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they're able to turn their head 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when in flight. Di po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga kapak kapag siya ay lumilipad po. Now folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine Serpent Eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks! Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, yung mga boging trainer na sina Kuya Sarel, Kuya Gucci, Kuya Richie, at Kuya Michael. Maraming salamat sa inyong 4 mga kuya. So syempre, ang ating mga raptors po. Our black-top cockatoo, or also known as the Goliath cockatoo po. They are the largest cockatoo po. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home is being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatira ang isang black-top cockatoo? Now guys, they live in tropical rainforest po. Now folks, ngayong hapon, George will show us how to help him restore his home by showing us how to plant a tree. So magtatanim ngayon si George, folks. Okay, now Kuya Jimar, ready na ba ang ating mga gagamitan ni George? Okay, wait lang natin si Kuya Jimar, folks. And may dalawang soil tayo dito guys. At syempre, kulang pa yan. At syempre, ano pa ba yung isang Kuya Jimar? And also, may dalawang branches. Once again, folks, magtatanim ngayon si George ngayong hapon po. Now, ready naman si George, Kuya Jimar. Now, Kuya Jimar, napag na natin yung kahoy. Now, George, uli na natin po. At syempre, itanim na natin si ating soil. And there we go. Okay, one more pa daw, George. Okay. Ayan na. Ayan, syempre, saan natin nilagay dyan, George? Alright, and there you go. Thank you so much, George, for showing us how to take care our Mother Earth. Now, folks, little fun fact, they build their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they build their nest using leaves. At ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanilang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So, sinong gusto guys mag-represent? Pipili tayo ng one adult female guest po. Okay, sinong gusto? Okay, ikaw ma'am, gusto mo? Okay, come here ma'am. Okay, dito tayo ma'am. Dala ka lang ng paper money ha, kahit 20 pesos. Okay, free 20 pesos ma'am. Yes, okay. Alright, ayan. Okay na Kuya Jimar, are you ready na ba? Ma'am, are you ready? Okay ma'am, you can follow na sa instruction ni Kuya Richie natin. Alright. Okay, hintayin lang muna natin si Kuya Richie natin folks. Okay, ayan. Once again, you can follow na lang sa instruction ni Kuya Richie natin ngayong hapon ma'am ha. Alright. Okay, wait lang natin si George. Mukhang ready na si George ngayong hapon, guys. No, ma'am, are you ready? Okay, George, are you ready, boy? Kunin na natin yung paper lip natin, boy. Okay na, George? Eh, ma'am, huwag ka magulat, ha? There we go. Okay, kunin na natin yung paper money. Yan, balik kay Kuya Jimar. Ayan, palapakan po natin si George, folks. But don't you worry, ma'am. Ibabalik yan ni George po. Okay? Okay. Now, ma'am, are you ready? Okay, mukhang ready naman si Mom ngayong hapon kay Jimar. Now, George, balikan natin yung paper lips mo, boy, or yung paper money. Okay, and George, balikan natin. Okay, wait lang natin talaga si George, folks, ha? And, okay, nabigay kay Mom. Ayan, thank you so much, George. Balik kay Kuya Jimar. Ayan, Mom. Thank you so much. You can say back here, palapakan po natin si Mom, folks. Now, guys, before we say goodbye to George, sana po folks, pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan folks. Okay now folks, that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin silang siyempre ang kanyang okay trainer na si Kuya Jimar. Alright, uwi na sila. Exit stage left now. Moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Galing pa po ito ng Brazil, particularly in Amazon forest. To may call on Barack. That is Barack, our blue and gold na with Kuya Michael. Alright na Kuya Michael. May pa-free-seats pa yan sa ating mga kiddos. Okay na mga kiddos, mga ates, mga kuyas, lapitan natin si Kuya Michael. Bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds, okay? And don't you worry, don't be scared. But I won't bite you naman, just open your hand lang talaga, okay? Dahan-dahan lang sa pagbigay ng seeds, ha? Okay, limit lang yan guys ha. Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassador. Okay, and thank you so much. Alright, now Kuya Michael, okay na? Okay naman sige folks. This is Barack, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ara-Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child po. So magkasing talino lang ni Barack ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parents guys, si Barack ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barack using a Filipino footwear called kadam-kadam na Barack. Suot with backline na si zygodactyl feet at our folks. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. So, march ang ito'y right, left, and baba. Now, Barack, at dahil dyan, high five kay Kuya Michael Labe. Okay, one more pa daw, high five. Okay, kapaka-sweet ito ni Barack guys daw. Barack, kiss to Kuya Michael Labe, kiss. Bigyan na kiss si Kuya Michael. Wow. Okay, one more pa daw Kuya Michael. One more pa. Okay, wag ka. And, napag sa hindi lang yan, si Barack ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nag-segregate ng kanilang mga basura? Ano naman? Plastic naman syempre. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura ko eh. And ngayon, leaf. Dahon, syempre. Saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash nila boy. Leaf. Dahon, syempre. Saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barack folks. So guys, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barack, magpapaalam na po si Barack folks. Okay, ng mga mature, mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye to Barack po, wave bye-bye. Alright, guys, na wave bye-bye. Na Barack, mag-bye-bye ka na kasi nag-bye-bye na sila sa'yo. Barack, wave bye-bye to everybody na daw. Hala, Barack, wave bye-bye. Go, Barack. Barack, wait. Ako, Kuya Michael, huwag na lang natin pilitin Kuya Michael. Okay, folks, once again, folks, that is Barack, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Michael. Palakpakan po natin sila dalawa, guys. Alright, thank you so much. Now let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Kung makulay po si Barak, puting-puti po ang ating next animal ambassador, just like a cloud. We may call on Jumbo. And now is Jumbo, our umbrella-crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, did you know the reason of global warming is due to our pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, so good boy, first placer, our Iron Man, para lang good boy Jumbo. Look to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about po, because tuturuan tayo ni Jumbo paano gumamit ng scooter. Ayan kung kaya mag-bike, kaya mag-scooter folks. So Jumbo, sakay! Pajak ulit ako dahan-dahan, medyo basa yung table, para lang good boy Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals that help our mother nature, you can also help by doing reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose, and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, Kuya Cyril. Okay, now moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. They call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine great hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here na boy. Well, there you go. At syempre, kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. Ayan, once again folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo ang kanilang mga piluka sa malapitan guys. Legit na legit yan folks, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay na ngayong hapon, magpapakitang ilas sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Alright, now let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, Alam, wala na yung energy yung kanina guys. Okay, one more pa na. More energy at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Gucci, Kuya Jimar. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So naliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin ni ate girl na kalaw. Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga kung subuti pa sa ating mga kalaw ay forever, no? No, sa mga sikililis natin dyan, kung naghahanap ka ng forever, nandito lang po ang ating mga trainers, ha? Ay, mga trainers, mga kalaw din, folks. Once again, guys, magpapakitang kilas pa ang ating mga kalaw now, folks. Prepare your cameras, mabilis lang to. Once again, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and fly! And that is our Philippine great hornbill, also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ating mga kalaw folks at syempre sila Kuya Jimor, Kuya Gucci. Now guys, okay, let's go folks. Steady or Palawan Bearcat. May kami na tayo dito mga boy. Yung folks ha? Ayan na. Now, uno. Once again folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they're capable of standing on their two legs. At ayan na po, napakita na ni Uno. Thank you so much Uno for showing your talent here. Folks, fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero siyempre wag lang natin silang lapitan ha, baka makagat pa kayo, magka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pala sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Gucci, ang pinapakain ko kay Uno ko, pakita mo sa kanila. Ano yun folks? It's looks like banana, saging or bananas, which are fruits. Once again, omnivores sila ha, na may tanong ko sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, correct. How about carne or meat? Carnivore. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivore. Perfect. Last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Alam, fruit salad. Sabi ni Kuya Buki, fruit salad yung sagot ha. O sige, sino nakakala? Tapos kamay. Bibigyan daw ng jacket ni Kuya Buki. Ano, si Kuya Arvin. Alam ko, alam mo na Kuya Arvin. Si Sir AJ. Wala. Okay. O sige, sa makakasagot, bibigyan daw ng jacket ni Sir AJ. Ano wala? Ano yun natin? Do you know what is the answer? Uy, lapit na yun. Ate, come here, ate. Let's help the audience. Okay, now. Okay, ate, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Frugivore. Frugivore! Ayan, palapakan po natin si ate, guys. The correct answer is frugivore. Ang hayop na kumakain ng fruits or prutas. Once again, ano yun? Ayan, frugivore. Hindi fajibar, ha? Okay, no. Diyan pa mga kuya. Hindi ba sabi ko sa iyo, ating kababaihan, even favorite na sina Piolo at si Daniel. By the way guys, you can touch it naman, you can hold it. Don't you worry folks, already pray na po yan ang ating mga ahas. Okay? Sa ating mga guests dyan, hindi pa nakapaghawak ng ahas. O make sure time para hawakan ang ating mga ahas dyan folks, okay? And be gentle lang po sa kanila. Alright, ayan na si Kuya Richie natin. Ayan na, bukang okay na. Folks, this is our gentle giants, ang ating mga Burmese python. What is that? Take them out. Python vivipatus. They are the third largest fish snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo is nasa 3 to 4 kilograms. And Daniel is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo magkakandaan lang ito si Daniel. Sino unahin natin sa kanilang mga kuya? Okay, ito si Ma'am from Manila. Ma'am, dito tayo sa center. Ma'am, nakakagalaw ka ba? Okay. Okay, now sino kasama ni Ma'am po? Asan kasama ni Ma'am? Taas kamay. Okay now guys, take lots of beautiful photos for her, please. Okay. Picturean po natin si Ma'am. Mga guys, okay. Ma'am, show your Valentina pose. Okay, huwag kang mag-alala Ma'am. Already ready na po yan. Basta Ma'am, huwag mo lang ihulog yung ahas Ma'am ha. Nasasaktan din yan kasi sa dulo. So, ayan na Ma'am. Okay na kuya, pwede na natin ulit. We should be good na Ma'am. Okay Ma'am, you can take back to your seat. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Siyempre, si Ma'am. Okay Ma'am, dito tayo sa center. Ma'am, we promise you. Relax. Okay, dito tayo sa center. Okay, guide kita para hindi ka matakot. Para hindi ka matakot. Okay? Now Ma'am, sino po kasama natin? Who are you with po? Asan sina family? Taas kamay family! Ano may mo ko na rin? Family! Okay, ayun na family! May gift ako para sa inyo. Okay, relax ka lang ng family. Take out some beautiful photos for her. Okay Ma'am, explain. Ayan, kita. Okay, promise. Ma'am, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas, so hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. Pero constrictor, meaning, sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buong buhay. Joke lang Ma'am. Okay na family, take a lot of beautiful photos. Relax ka lang dyan. Ayun, no, hindi na. Okay, huwag magkanila giunsa. Okay na, okay. Alam folks, sa pag-checking na time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show guys. Mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-merienda, so kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes ha. Ma'am, hanapin nyo na kami doon sa office mo, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes na folks. Mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes na guys. Babalik na po kami na pagkalit sa Kuya Chimar. Okay, kunin na natin Kuya Chimar. Natakot na si Ma'am. Okay, Richie. Ayan, guide natin. So, Ma'am, pasensyahan nyo na Ma'am ha. At least sulit na sulit yung 350 mo dito Ma'am. Okay, ayan na. Ma'am, thank you so much for participating. Panapakan po natin si Ma'am. Siyempre si Ma'am from Manila. Once again, thank you so much to the both of you. Now folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission that is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter these facilities, you are not just here to take some photos or videos or animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why, a round of applause for yourselves, please. Now folks, pakilala ko sa inyo ang mga pogi trainers, Kuya Richie, Kuya Jimar with the snakes, Kuya Gucci with the rabbit, Kuya Dexter, may magandang tour guide niya si Ate Chloe with the timbox, Kuya Michael with the kakatuwa, at Kuya Cyril with the kalaw, at doon sa taas na si Kuya Prince. Now once again folks, my name is Kuya Poy. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay ang panayaw! Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Ayan. Okay, like I said kanina, sa mga gusto magpa-picture sa ating mga hayop, just form a straight line lang po tayo dito sa we would like to thank our sponsors, Dr. Butterfly House, Ilisilin Crocodile Oil, Mount Apo Coffee, Vista View Resto, Mount Apo Highland Resort, Tribo Camindanawan, Philip Marco Crocodile Leather Collection, The Beef Paris House, Crocodile Ice Cream Shop, JJ Trading Curbside, and Crocodile Beef. Mga bisita po natin na enjoy sa ating show. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. By the way guys, sa mga gustong magpa-picture sa ating baby crocodile, andito po sa right side ko si Kuya Dexter with a baby crocodile po. Lapitan lang po natin si Kuya Dexter folks. Okay, bakante po si Kuya Dexter natin dito. Folks, at exactly 5:15 p.m. we have fired at spots sa Tribo Camindanawan, Pagtawan area. Once again, at exactly 5:15 p.m. we have fired at Tribo Camindanawan.
They're holding a snake over there.
They're holding ayaw niya.
5:15 p.m. may fired at spots tayo sa Tribo Camindanawan, Pagtawan area. Once again,
Follow the rules.
Follow the sounds of the baby drums.
It's trying to rain.
Wala, nag-ulan.
Yeah, it's trying to rain.
Kaya na, let's go, let's go.
Come on.
Souvenir,
Hello.
sir. Double t-shirt.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Souvenir, double t-shirt. Alright, dance po. This way po. Mag-start na po.
It looks like there's a grill over there. Grill house. We're going to start something over here.